As Singapore continues to become an aging nation, the challenges faced by the elderly are growing. Finding ways to improve their quality of life is crucial, no matter how small the implementation may be. Hence, introducing the Zen Bot, a companion to keep the elderly safe and secure at home. Let us first start with the Zen Bot itself. So, the Zen Bot was a Fusion 360 made model, afterwards 3D printed in a textured design. The textured design actually allows for greater grip and usability of the product, especially for the main target audience, which is the elderly. It also strikes a rounded off design, increasing its overall aesthetic appeal. Looking on the front, we have an OLED display screen, followed by the words Zen Bot embossed on the side. At the bottom, we have a proximity sensor, as well as an LED. Moving on to the rear of the Zen Bot, we have a utility clip that allows users to easily clip this onto their pants or onto their shirt to allow for greater portability. Now to the other side, we have a dust cover which allows for access to an ESP32 mini microchip. So this will allow users to actually program the OLED screen on the front. Moving on to the top, we can see where the access port is for the micro bit. Now we'll be moving on to the receiver. So this receiver will be in the hands of caregivers or family members alike. So it retains almost the same design as the microbit, having preserved its two buttons to communicate with the actual Zen Bot itself. Moving on to the top, we have the access points, the USB, as well as the battery power pack. So overall, these two designs will work hand in hand to allow for the safety and security of the elderly at home. Now, we'll be moving on to the demonstration. For this demonstration, we'll be using this plushie to represent our senior. So, if a senior were to take a tumble, an automated voice stating fall detected followed by LED flashing will be made. This, in the hands of caregivers as well as family members, will receive a notification. The notification states fall 995. It will be repeated a total of 4 times. Last but not least, pressing B on the microbit will allow a message to be sent over to the Zen Bot. The message states, "Help is coming, stay calm."